In this video clip, we learn the hypothesis testing process. There is a claim. The population mean age is 50. Then we have H0 mu equals 50. H1 mu is not equal to 50. We do sampling and find a sample with sample mean. Suppose we have a population here, then we obtain a sample here. Suppose the sample mean age was 20. We can see this is much lower than the claimed mean age for the population of 50. If the hypothesis assumed or the null hypothesis H0 is true, then the probability of obtaining such a small or such a different mean in a sample would be very small, right? So intuitively, we want to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, getting a sample mean of 20 is so unlikely if the population mean is 50. So we conclude that the population mean is not 50. So we can see here, if the true population mean is 50, then we randomly take a sample. Then from the central limit theorem, we know that if the sample size is greater than 30, then the sample mean follows a normal distribution with a mean of 50. That means it is very unlikely we obtain a sample mean here in the value of 20. So we conclude that we reject the null hypothesis that mu equals 50. Of course, this is just intuitive. We need to develop some very specific rule to tell us when to reject a null hypothesis, when not to reject a null hypothesis.